Throughout the United States, we operate food packing events where tens of thousands of volunteers come together and literally tens of millions of meals are packed. The first jobs at a packing event is that people are pouring ingredients into a funnel that fills a bag. After the bag's filled, the next two people in line weigh the bag, and then from there, seal the bag. Finally, the bag has a lot number expiration date put on every bag, boxed, and then palletized. It's a really simple process. We ask people to do three things. One is organize a location. Secondly, we ask people to get volunteers together. 100 to 120 people will pack 50,000 meals in 2 hours. Lastly, we ask people to do some basic fundraising. It's a way to resolve hunger in a very affordable manner. So we bring everything needed to run a packing event. We'll ship everything to you, we set everything up, we train you, and we run the event for you. People have just a wonderful time. In order to really work at alleviating hunger, we had to make sure that our food tastes delicious, but is also nutritious. We pack 5 different meals. We've developed 4 dinner items and 1 breakfast. And Meals of Hope is the only food packing organization that is AIB certified. Really what that means, that deals with food safety, food security, and the proper handling of food. So once the food is packed, we organize and have the food bank come in and pick it up. And the arrangement is that they take the food and they then give it away to the local food pantries free of charge.
I am on disability.
Well, I'm a widow and, I have to pay bills by myself.
10 years ago, I had a stroke in my head and my vein. I lose my house and everything else, but I'm blessed that we can get food in here free.
Meals of Hope have helped me a lot because my mom just died. She was paying half of everything. And I'm struggling, and this is helping me.